example 3.html. That should be under the internal CSS. Start from HTML and follow the head part and write the style. Open and close. Follow the body, open and close. Then after that, write a h1 tag. CSS for tag group. CSS for tag group. Multiple tags we have together. We want to write the CSS in such a way that should apply for all the tags. Next, come down. Write one more tag for h2. Under the h2, you write anything. CSSR in 4 types. CSS 4 type. Next, write a p tag. Something I'm writing. Inline, internal, external, import. Next, after that, write another tag called label. Print inside this is from label. Next, write a tag called maybe bold also. This is from bold. So this all tags are written, and for this all tags, we wanted to write some common CSS that should apply to all. Common CSS we want to write that should get applied to all. Now come up to the style block. Write one CSS for tag name, body tag, open curly bracket close. Write for background, green pure, complete green. And so this is the body tag. So body is one tag. So you wrote for only body tag. For only the body tag, background in which color? Green color. Right. Now below we have h1. Below we have for h1, comma h2, comma paragraph, comma label, comma bold. So for this all the tag, we kept separated by comma. This all the tag we kept here separated by comma. So when you are using only one tag, that is called CSS for tag name. When we use only one tag, it is called CSS for tag name. But when we use multiple tags separated by comma, that is called tag group. So h1, h2, paragraph, label, bold, all become a group. For this group, whichever the property you write, it will be applicable for all. Example, color as white. And one more property called font hyphen style or italic. So what will happen? Bold also, italic also, h1 not bold, body tag also, label tag also, paragraph tag also, h1 and h2, all will convert into which color? White color. And the font style will be italic. Wrote it, done once. All the tags, bold italic, h1, h2, paragraph is something italic, headline which color? So that is common feature for multiple tags. So when we write common feature for multiple tags together separated by comma, that is called a tag group of the tags. Right? So all are coming in white color as well as common feature. So you will copy this line and paste in developer guide as an example. Copy this and paste in developer guide as an example. Next, after this, we'll come to the next file that is called next file that is this one, CSS for ID. How to create the ID and write the CSS for that. So example 4 file we can go. And in example 4 file, you will follow the HTML, you will follow the head, you will follow the style, you will follow the body. Yeah, done. Now come inside, follow a div tag and write inside anything. For example, header. Write one more div tag. Write inside all something. Service 1, service 2, service 3, service 2, and one more called service 3. Service 3. Now for this all 3 blocks what you are creating, all 3 are division only, not 3, 4. 4 we have to do, so all 4 are division. We wanted that all 4 should not look similar, all 4 should look different. All are division only, but it should look different. If you write for div, then all will look similar. But we'll not write for div. We'll write for ID. We'll write the CSS for ID. And whoever will have the ID, that will look like that. Okay. So first question in HTML, how to call the ID property. So ID property can call like this. ID equal to any name. Suppose I'll write for 1. For this one, ID equal to 2. ID equal to 2. ID equal to 2. For this one, ID equal to 3. ID equal to 3. For this one, ID equal to 4. Okay. Okay, noted. Now come to the CSS part. In CSS, how to create ID? That is the next question. In HTML, we call ID equal to particular, but in CSS, how to create ID? So that happens with the help of this one. Call it a has. So first, I'll write for body tag. For body tag. Okay, or remove the body. Why to confuse? Has represent ID. Has 1 you have to write. Curly bracket open close. Has 2 you have to write. Has 3. Has 4. So has 1. Has 2. Has 3 and has 4. So with the help of has, what we can do? We can create the ID. ID will be represented by has. Whenever you want to create ID, ID must start with the symbol has symbol. It's called the operator, has operator, prop operator. Okay, now come inside. 1, where you are calling? 1 you are calling for the first division. So whatever you will write under the first ID, it will go to the first division. So for example, background may be blue color. Background may be blue color and color as white color and font size is a property suppose 7080 and where it should print that is called text hyphen align as a center. If you run the file, the feature what you wrote for 1, it will apply for first division. It will not apply for second or third. It will not get applied for second or third. It will get applied to the first division. Please check happening for first division. We can check it. And this file, it is applying for the first division. Now we'll go for the second and third. And we'll write the ID for second. We'll write the CSS for second. What we'll write is first keep as a height of this, maybe 300, 400. Background of this, orange color. Width of this, 300 px. Float of this, left. Margin of this, 30-40 px. So it will come in the left side, and there will be 30 pixel gap. Height will be 300. Width will be 300. Background will come as a orange color. So this will apply only for those divisions where you call ID equal to 2. Happen for the 2 statements. It will happen for the 2, something like this. Third, fourth, second, and second service 2, service 3 is still waiting because we have not written anything. Copy the same CSS of 2 and paste in 3 and change the background color. Background is a maybe other color, red color. Same thing paste in the 4 also. Change the background is a maybe green color. CSS is same everywhere, only background color value is different. Okay, so it should look like this. All 4 divisions should work. All are division, but the design is different. How we can achieve? With the help of ID. With the help of ID, we can write the CSS and that ID we can pull down. So all will be diff only, but the design wise, layout wise, it will be different. So in this file, you wrote the CSS only for ID that start with has. You will copy any one ID from here. Suppose I'll copy the first one. Go to developer guide, CSS by ID have written. Keep inside one line, for example. Now next we need to see that call as a class.
Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, we give that one, #1. So normally we have lines of code for the, in that situation we forgot that already we are giving that #1 for style. So again we are giving that #1 in another place. That means under the page. We forgot that #1 already given.
Override will happen. Previous property will get override by the new feature. So it will combine together. Some feature from the first and some feature from second. Like suppose one ID we wrote here. If you write one more ID, so it will take the feature of first ID and take the feature of second ID and combine together. Not understood?
That means which one it will take, sir?
It will take the common feature from both, unique feature from both. It will not take only one. It will take the unique feature from both. Like suppose you have written here background. Background will take from here. Width will take from the another one, another where you have written. You have written the color, font size, text align will take from here. And font weight if you have written in another place, it will take from there. It will combine the feature of both the places wherever you have written.
Okay.
Okay. It will not say you cannot create, and it will not say like there is a problem. You can create a number of times, but it will take the unique feature of all.
Okay.
Okay, come next. Next, after that, go for this file, class5.js, class5.html. Okay, class 5. Now go under the example 5.html5, HTML you start, and then follow the head. Then follow the style. Body open close. Next, after that, write one division ID equal to 1. 1. If here call header.
Sir, this is class example, right?
Yeah, I know that. We are writing the class example. Now write below call class equal to. Write here call software. Now write next division. Write class equal to only. Write inside call marketing. Next you write a division class equal to same class. 𝕷𝖊𝖆𝖵𝖗𝖗𝖌-𝕰𝖝𝖕𝖗𝑗. Write for no division. Class equal to same class. Next, now how to write the CSS for ID? Now well, so we'll write for CSS for body tag. This is called CSS for tag name, background, we'll call sky blue. So this happened for a tag name, that is called this one body. Now write next call has 1. That becomes an ID. So write inside call font size 70-80 px, background, orange color. Then after that, text align center, color green. Color is green. Okay. So font size, background, text align, color. Next we can come now for the class. So this line becomes CSS for tag name. This line becomes CSS for a ID. Now next we will write that will be CSS for a class. One file example of all 3. Now go inside. Write here class represented by dot. You can write for 2. Inside that you will follow call background of the division. Background of the division will be white color. Then height will be of, let's keep 300 px, and then width keep somewhere 31.33%. Then after that keep margin 1%. Then write float left. Correct. Font size 40 px. Text align center. This all you wrote for the 2. Now how many places we are calling the 2? Everywhere same thing will get applied. Okay, written. Save now and check once. See, 3 block will come in one line. 1 is gone to the new line. So you wrote the CSS exact one time for a class. And wherever you call this class, everywhere the same feature will get applied. That is called CSS for a class. You can create with the help of dot, and while calling, you can call class equal to particular name without dot. Something like this. Check once. This one. Class 2, background, height, width, margin, float, font size, as well as text align. So this file is the combination of all three examples for tag name, for ID, as well as for class. Okay. Now come to the again. So you can check once. Let me know also working or not working. It is case sensitive, so you should not write uppercase and call lowercase. Right. Okay. Very good. Okay. Wait for 1 minute. Hello. 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 Come on. Is there? Okay. Okay, so now ID we can create with the help of as operator, dot we can create, class we can create with the help of dot operator. Where to use ID, where to use the class, you can see in this file also I follow the proper rule regulation. ID I have follow only one place in the beginning. Where we display header here, this is ID, so we display one place. But when matter come to the class, we have follow 4 times. So in one page, one ID you should not use multiple times. What problem will come? In future JavaScript will get failed, JavaScript will not work. In JavaScript you have to use the ID everywhere. And one ID, if duplicate means only one place it will work, it will not work on the second place. So according to JavaScript, you have to keep one ID only one time in one page. And if you're writing the CSS based on ID, then one ID if you use many times, then JavaScript will get failed tomorrow. So better write a CSS for ID, but how to write? One ID only one time in one page. Like suppose I wrote for ID as a header. If I copy this header and paste again, it will not say that it will not work. It will work. But what problem will come? You can see here. Duplicate happen, no? It happen as a duplicate. When duplicate happen, CSS is working. CSS is not saying I will not work. CSS will work. HTML will work. But when you implement the JavaScript and when you apply the feature on the second division, second header, since ID is same, you will apply for second and it will apply for first. Because it will happen only for the first address. It will not happen for the second address. Your target is second and it will happen for first. Functionality will get breakdown. So difference wise, this is the only difference. ID if you're writing multiple times, CSS will work, no doubt, HTML will work, no doubt, but JavaScript will get failed. So the future will be where you are going to integrate the JavaScript also. So you have to keep the place for CSS also and place for JavaScript also. So in one page, if you want to design any kind of, in one page if you want to design anything, that should appear only one time. No problem, use ID. But in one page, one design look multiple times. For example, this file you can see, in one page, this is coming how many times? Same design, 4 times. So here if you are reading the ID for these services, that is wrong. Okay, ID if you write, with help of ID if you are writing the CSS, same you have to write for here, here, here and here. How many times? 4 times. So better than that, remove the duplicate and write for which one? Class. Write the CSS one time and call n number of times. Everywhere design will be same. Next in the future, JavaScript will come. If required to implement JavaScript, no problem. Give different ID and link with the JavaScript. But CSS let it be only one and based on class integrate it. Okay. So we'll come to the developer guide. We'll copy this and we'll paste there and then we'll write the difference of ID and class, where to use, where not to use. Copy this, come to the developer guide and write inside an example. Paste here. Dot. Yeah, okay. Now right here, when you write the ID, so we can write in one page, one type of design required only one time then use CSS using ID. In one page I should write here, in one page, one type of design required only one time, then use CSS using ID. Then use the CSS using ID. Like suppose in page you are creating a navigation. The navigation will be only one time. It will not be repeated twice. So no problem. You can use ID also. You can use ID also. Okay, go next. Come to the class part. In class part you can write. So this one we wrote. In one page, one type of design required only one time, then use CSS using ID. In the case of class you can write. In one page, one type of design required many times, then use CSS using class. Then use CSS using the class. Okay, come next. Now suppose if I go to my, so written two line, one is for the ID, one is for the class. How to create the class using dot, how to create the ID using hash. If I open a page and ask you which method it should be, header on the top, one section in the left, one more section in the bottom, one more section in the right. Now after that, so what we should follow here? ID or class? Look at here, what you have written. In one page, one type of design is required many times, then use the class. In this, anyone is matching with anything? This is equal to this. First one is equal to last. Yes or no? No.
Huh? We go with ID.
These all are different here. Look, no, all are different, right? Why are you so silent? All are different, right? See?
Yes.
All are different. None of the one is similar. So it is based on what? ID. Using same ID, you can communicate HTML and CSS. No. And using same ID, in the future you can communicate with the JavaScript also. Because unique is, ID is unique. And you will not follow the duplicate. Okay? Look at here. Now if I go here and make one block, two block, three block, four block, five block, what will do for this? ID or class? Look, three are looking similar.
One class.
You will write the class. This is also looking similar. You will write the class. Wherever design looks similar, you should not think much, write the class. Wherever design looks different, don't think, write the ID. Even it will work based on class also. See the first one, left one, right and bottom, it will work based on class also. But in future, if you want to write the JavaScript, you have to call one more property called ID to link with which one? JavaScript. And if you're writing using the ID, CSS also, then using same ID, CSS will work. And using same property, which one? JavaScript will also work. You will not have to use two property. One is for CSS and one is for JavaScript. So this line I have written, if you understand that, it is a very conceptual line. It says like, in one page, if one type of design you have, only one time. In one page, one type of design you are going to use only one time. Using class it will work. I'm not saying it will not work. But what will happen? In future, you need JavaScript, again you have to use the ID. So why can't we use ID now only? So using ID we can link the CSS and using ID we can link in the future JavaScript also. But second case is like, if design is similar multiple times, then you must have to use the CSS. Because if you write the CSS one time and you will use multiple times, that will call one too many rules. In future, if you need JavaScript, then you have to give the ID for all. So JavaScript will communicate using ID and CSS one to many will communicate using the class. Okay. So based on that, this photo says wherever we have unique design, that should be based on ID. Wherever we have common design, that should be based on class. Okay. Right. Come next. Now I will open one website and then I'll ask you, should be ID or class? Which website to open? Open our website and thing. Okay. Now we have to go. Look at this, all four boxes. Look at this. Design is same, but the color combination is different. Design is same, but the color combination is different. See, shadow looks similar. Shadow is similar, no? So one class is calling called shadow for all. So everywhere shadow is similar. And see, the height and width of all four are equal. Four are equal, no? Height and width. For that, it is a class called card, yes. And see, this heading, you can see heading. Everywhere height is similar. That is called a class called card header. And the white block, you can see white block. This white block, bottom section. That is happening through the class called card body. Card body, correct? But in the same page, if I come, where I should go, you can see bottom section background is which color? Gray color. It should be based on ID because this is repeating only one time, correct? You can see the logo height width is something. It is available every time, only one time. So it should be based on ID. Okay. So we'll remember whenever we open the web page, right? There is nothing to remember in that. Automatically your finger will decide. Mind is no need of that. Mind is not required for that. Now you put the input in mind saying like, in future, whenever you see the common design, don't think much, write the class. And in future, whenever you see the unique design, don't think much, write the ID. That's all. And next job will be your finger. Okay. Mind will just give the instruction. This is the ID, this is the class, and write. Okay. One more we have to implement this one. CSS for parent tag and child tag. So write the next file, that is for example 6. Under the internal CSS you are writing correct now? I have made some mistake here. I shifted here there. I need to move on to the internal. So I will write the next file is called, because all I have opened together. Example 6 now. Under that we need to write under the internal CSS. We need to write one example 6.html. In example 6.html, you start from the HTML and follow the head. Follow the style. Follow body. Next inside that, follow a nav tag, 𝕷𝖊𝖆𝖵, and then follow a UL tag, and then follow the li tag, and then follow the e tag. Okay, right column home. Tag 3-4 lines. Yes, good. Now come down, follow the next line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Yes. Login. Register. Inquiry. You write once. A is the part of li, li is the part of ul is the part of 𝕷𝖊𝖆𝖵. Right, li is written, li and a. Now copy the same ul and paste after the 𝕷𝖊𝖆𝖵. Paste after the 𝕷𝖊𝖆𝖵. Okay. Same text we have, same content we have 2 places, but difference is one place ul is a part of 𝕷𝖊𝖆𝖵. And another place ul is without 𝕷𝖊𝖆𝖵. Okay. In this, 𝕷𝖊𝖆𝖵 is the nav tag is HTML5 tag. Nav tag will be parent of ul. Ul will be the parent of li, and li will be the parent of a. Okay. If you want to reach till a, you have to check where is the a. Li is the inside li. Where is the li under the ul? Where is the ul under the 𝕷𝖊𝖆𝖵? Now we want to write an address to redirect to the compiler to reach till those a that is under the li. So multiple li is under the a is under the li, but those li that should be under the ul. Ul also have the li. But those ul that is under the nav. Nav should be the parent, child should be the ul, the next child should be the li, and last child should be the a. Not all a, only those a that is under the li, ul, and then nav. That's all. You are writing the CSS for tag only. But those tag whose parent is li, and li parent is ul, and ul parent must be nav. If ul is not under the nav, address will be incorrect. It will not reach till there. Okay. So what to do for that? Let's. So we are written like this. Come on. So first to write call a color red. Font size 30 pixels, okay? 30 pixels, okay? Okay. Check now. In current page, wherever you have the a tag, all will convert into red color, and all will convert into red color, as well as all will change into font size 30 pixels. See now, everything is happening. Yes. So I'll run this file and we'll see how it appears. Is here. All are off. 30 px font size. But our target is only those A that is under the A line. So before that, put the A line. Bottom A is also under the A line. Again, put which one? UL. Bottom UL is also under the A line under the UL. But those UL that should be under which one? NFA. Now your compiler will reach to those A whose grandfather is which one? NFA. Correct? So this becomes CSS of a child of a respective parent. Check now. I will teach you once we come in CSS-3. See, happening? Greater than also we can write, correct? And without greater than also we can. Okay, happening for which block? Only for the upper block? Right. Come now. So this is one clear example of which one? Child of a parent. Okay. So it will not be only tag name. Parent can be ID also. Parent can be class also. Okay. Child can be ID also, and child can be class also. Okay. Come now. Right. Next call NFE. NFE of UL of li. We have a property called display colon in a line hyphen block. I'm writing this line from the CSS-3. We will discuss on that. Display in line block. That. Okay. Margin for this you write somewhere called 20 px. Check. All will come in one line. All will come in one line. All will come in one line. Okay, written all are coming the same line. So it is here. That is called converting from block to inline. Okay, but the display property we have written, it has multiple values. Display inline block, display flags, display grid, display none, display block. Okay, multiple. So that is coming in coming days. Okay, now come down. Now write next for which one? So see, it is not happening for both the UL and li. It is happening for those UL and li that is under the NAV. Correct. So here nav become the parent, UL become the child, and li become the last child. Right below NAV of UL. Inside that background is maybe black color. I'm not adding anywhere padding because we have not seen the padding still. What is that? So after covering this 5 example, you will be aware of ID class, tag group, by tag name, parent child. Then we'll start following the list of property in the sequence. Happening background which color? Black. Apply for only one UL, not apply for the second UL. Reason is you are informing not for all UL, only those UL whose parent is NAV. So now how many ways you can write the CSS? 5 ways. CSS for a tag name you can write. Right or not? CSS for a tag group also you can write. Multiple tags separated by comma. You can create an ID hash and you can write. Third method, fourth method using dot you can write. And fifth method find out the parent and then target to the child. Right? Using how many method? 5 method we can write now. Right? 5 method. CSS by tag name, CSS by tag group, CSS by ID, CSS by class, CSS by parent child. Okay. So entire world, whoever write the CSS on internet, everyone follow this. Yes. Our bootstrap is designed based on 4 method, not the fifth method. Fifth method is ID. So bootstrap is not designed based on ID. Bootstrap follow the ID, this one, class, group, parent, child, as well as another one, tag name. Okay, but bootstrap will not follow the which one? ID. Because the people who wrote bootstrap, they know ID is for JavaScript. When the developer will implement the ID, they will write ID according to their needs. If their ID and my ID conflict, then what will happen? Library will be useless. So they have left the ID. They said ID is for the developer purpose. Right based on remaining 4 methods. Okay. So you copy this block, nav of UL of li of a, and come to the developer write it. Working or not working? Small knowledge, big knowledge, all the knowledge are required to survive in the market. So, nav UL of li of a something. Yeah, hello. Hello. Yeah. Okay, ready? Then we can see in the next class. We will work on designing the multiple type of template one by one. Follow the property design template. Follow the property design.